Fix it fast. Slow cook function not working on your Instant Pot Duo? Here's why it happens and what actually fixes it. Step 1. Make sure the steam release handle is set to venting. If the handle is on sealing, the pot will trap steam, the float valve will pop up, and you'll end up pressure cooking your meal instead of slow cooking it. Turn the steam release handle to venting before you start. Step 2. Check that the inner pot is seated correctly. Remove the inner pot and wipe both the bottom of the pot and the heating element with a dry cloth. Make sure there's no food debris or moisture. Place the inner pot back in and press down firmly. Poor contact between the pot and heating element will stop the unit from heating. Step 3. Use the correct heat setting for your recipe. The Instant Pot slow cook settings don't match traditional slow cooker settings. For a regular slow cooker low setting, use normal on your Instant Pot. For a regular slow cooker high setting, use more. The less setting runs much cooler and takes significantly longer. Step 4. Add enough liquid for bottom-only heating. Unlike traditional slow cookers that heat from the sides, the Instant Pot only heats from the bottom. Liquid helps distribute heat throughout the pot. If your recipe is too thick or doesn't have enough liquid, add extra broth or water to help the heat spread. Step 5. Use a glass lid with a vent hole if you have one. You can use the pressure cooking lid with the steam release handle set to venting, or use a glass lid designed for slow cooking. The lid must have a vent hole to let steam escape. I've linked a compatible glass lid for the Duo in the description. Step 6. Reset the unit if it's still not heating. Unplug the Instant Pot, wait 5 minutes, then plug it back in. Press cancel and hold for 3 seconds. This resets the control board. Try slow cook again. If slow cook still doesn't heat after these steps, or if the keep warm light turns on immediately when you press slow cook, the temperature sensor or control board may be faulty. Contact Instant Pot support using the link in the description. If this helped you get slow cook working and save your recipe, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a glass lid for slow cooking, I've linked the one I use below. It has a vent hole built in so steam escapes properly and fits both 6-quart and 8-quart Duo models. Thanks for watching, and now you can slow cook without the stress.